Hello guys, Ivan here, and this is the Mercedes AMG C63S, and this is the Sedan version. So we can see this beautiful car from the exterior standpoint, interior and infotainment system in this video. So if you like these kind of videos, then subscribe for plenty more videos, also motor show reviews and owner experience, driving reviews. Comment down below and let me know which color is your favorite on the C63S, and also which generation. So this is W205 and this is the facelift version of the vehicle. And this facelift brings numerous changes, such as new front headlights, which are multi-beam, also new AMG specific grille, and also the rear tail lamps. And also with the interior we can see numerous changes. So here we can see this example of the vehicle. This is in a polar white, which is a solid white paint, non-metallic. And we can see here the beautiful multi-beam LED headlights. So these are adaptive headlights, they can cut out ongoing traffic, and they have technology from the S-Class. So we can see these alloy wheels. These are actually base alloy wheels, so you don't have to pay optional extra for these wheels. And the front tire size is 245/35 19-inch. Now we check out the rear tire size. So the rear is 265/35 19-inch. Right, so let's check out this car from rear. We can see new design in the tail lamps. It has like a C LED signature, and also AMG and C63S emblems are in the black color. That's probably aftermarket. And also we can see exhaust pipes are in the black color. This car has done only 5,000 kilometers. It's like 3,500 miles. And overall, Sedan is very practical because you have more room for rear passengers if you need that, obviously. We have front cameras for assistive systems and VI bar turbo badge on the front fender. And yeah, once again, just gorgeous look at these multi-beams. They have 84 segments which can cut out ongoing traffic. Mercedes vintage logo on the windshield. Front fenders are quite more wide than on a regular Mercedes C-Class, and even more than on the C43. So let's open the bonnet, the hood, and check out the engine. So this is handcrafted engine in a Volterbach, and this is 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo engine, which produces 510 horsepower. That's 375 kilowatts, and you can see the name of the person, the signature of the person which handcrafted this particular engine. Also, this engine has 700 Newton meters of torque, and two turbos are on the top of the cylinder banks, as you can see. So this is like a hot V setup of the engine. We have windshield washer reservoir there, over there in the corner. This car can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in only 4 seconds. Top speed is 250 kilometers per hour. That's 155 miles per hour, or with optional AMG drivers package, the top speed is 290 kilometers per hour. That's 180 miles per hour. This is a real-world drive setup. So we can also see the panorama roof on the top, which has like a tinted glass, also privacy glass in the rear. We have also a little lip on the boot. Really, overall, I think this looks really proportional and really good from the exterior standpoint, also with the stripes on the side. So now we can open the boot and this boot is larger for 5 liters compared to the facelift. So now it has 480 liters, and that's the same as Audi A4 and BMW 3 Series. So that's the same in all of these cars. Underneath the floor we can find tire kit and other accessories. So we can close the boot and check out once again these tail lamps and how gorgeous is the graphics inside of them, which consist of these LED stripes. Now let's open the door and check out the interior. So we have a really nice spec with Burmester sound system and with leather interior, AMG Napa leather, which is two-tone. So really gorgeous. Alright guys, so let's check out this great C63S sedan, and you can see it here on the command display. So this facelift brings updated screens, instrumental cluster, and also this command display, which is in the middle. So we can see AMG performance steering wheel, which has Dynamica on the side, and here is Napa leather AMG logo, and these are from AMG One, the hypercar, these displays. And you can change the dynamic select here with this toggle. Notice how in Sport Plus and Race it's louder. It's so much louder. And here you can toggle the exhaust, for example, on or off. And also, for example, manual or automatic transmission, etc. So that's great. With this you operate the instrument cluster, and with this part the command display. You can find a full review of this car, but in the coupe shape, on my channel. So here we can see the IWC clock, which is a premium watch manufacturer in Switzerland. Here is the key for the AMG, and you have here the Affalterbach logo. So we have two cup holders, you can close it here, have AMG logo, and this is like a dark ash wood trim. In this car is not available the ambient lighting, but you can have it if you like spec the car, or if you buy it like a stock vehicle which has it. Here in this middle display I want to show you quickly, you have navigation. But you can check out my 40 minutes videos, super in-depth. I showed this car, and infotainment system is the same basically. Many people wanted to see this in sedan. So you have track pace, telemetry, and other features. This is more than 60 parameters which you can track on the cars, but also on the like a private road, etc. So super great track pace. And all in all, I really like. Yeah, here's supposed to be OPF filter, but still it's very loud compared to like a 4-cylinder engine. And supposedly pre-facelift is even louder. So here we can find two USB-A ports, SD card slot, and armrest is great, Napa leather, very soft. These are comfort seats. You can have AMG performance seats with integrated headrest and more like a support, but I think for being basic seats, like not basic, but which you don't need to pay optional extra, these are great. And you have a silver belt, so yeah, really great. You have also a Affalterbach logo here on the headrest. Ideal for family, I mean, this in estate form. This is like something in the middle. So the cabriolet would be the least practical, then I would say coupe, then sedan, and estate would be the most practical. Panorama roof, so you can open it and you can hear exhaust even louder during drive. So how cool is that? You can also put the panorama roof on the ventilation. So if you press it just up, then you can have it on ventilation, or you can open it fully like I did. Here you have compartment for sunglasses, so super comfort, super exhaust sound, everything is super in this AMG. I really liked it. And now I want to show you the rear seats. Burmester sound system. Now this is how it looks from the rear, the front part. So yeah, this is how it looks. Really fantastic. And I'm a big fan of this. So here is the legroom. So I have like, this is curved, this seat. So I have no issue here. So I sit like this, as many people, relaxed, not like this, like some reviewers show. But yeah, so this is real life showcase. So you can rest your leg here, your knee, and you should be fine. Very comfortable here, and combination of the white leather in some parts, very good. You have also here space, and I'm 186 centimeters or 6 feet and between 1 and 2 inch, and these are the rear seats. How they look, they are very nicely curved actually, but obviously not as front seat, but considering these are rear seats, they are great. You have ISOFIX child system to fix, and really soft Napa leather. You have hidden cup holders, and this armrest is great. You can put some additional things here, and really wide. Both passengers can put can rest their arm here. So yeah, wonderful. And panorama roof. The exhaust is very loud actually, even in comfort mode. AMG Performance exhaust is off now, and I can hear blah, 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 blah. So it's amazing. Dream of everybody. This is dream of everybody. You have light here. So yeah, guys. Now I want to show you how much space I have by my head. It's like few centimeters, like 2 inches maybe. So yeah, I have significantly good headroom, no issue here. So as you can see, like this, like few centimeters, 5 centimeters. So I think it's great. So yeah, very comfortable even for taller people than me, little bit taller, maybe not like basketball players, but yeah, it's sufficient, I think, a lot. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Leave a comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for plenty more videos. So guys, thank you very much for support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.